Earth should have been a barren graveyard, scarred with craters. A dead world, silent oceans, no forests, no cities, no you. Because space is not empty. It is a shooting gallery. But why are we still here? Right now, millions of objects are moving through Earth's neighborhood. Asteroids the size of buses, comets the size of cities, frozen leftovers from the birth of the solar system, moving faster than bullets. Any one of them could end us. One already tried. 66 million years ago, a rock roughly 6 to 9 miles wide slammed into Earth at nearly 15 miles per second. It struck what is now Mexico with more energy than 1 billion Hiroshima bombs. The sky burned, forests ignited, oceans heaved, dust blocked the sun, and roughly 3 out of every 4 species vanished. The dinosaurs learned what happens when the universe throws one stone. But that rock was not unusual. The solar system has thrown thousands like it through our neighborhood. Earth should have been hit again and again and again. So why is the sky still quiet? The answer is 480 million miles away. Jupiter. Our solar system is a graveyard of leftovers. Between Mars and Jupiter sits the asteroid belt, millions of rocky fragments that never became a planet. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper belt, a frozen ring of icy worlds. Farther still, almost a light year from the Sun, the Oort cloud surrounds the solar system like a ghostly halo of comets. Trillions of objects, all moving, all waiting for a nudge. A passing star, a wandering planet, a tiny gravitational disturbance. That is all it takes to send a comet falling inward, toward the Sun, toward the inner planets, toward Earth. And when a comet falls, it accelerates. By the time it reaches our orbit, it can move 40, 50, even 60 kilometers per second. A 1-kilometer comet would release more energy than humanity's entire nuclear arsenal many times over. That is not disaster. That is erasure. But before many of these objects reach us, they meet Jupiter. Jupiter is 11 Earths wide, 318 Earths in mass, and more massive than all the other planets combined. Its gravity is so powerful that the Sun and Jupiter orbit a shared point just outside the Sun's surface. When long-period comets fall inward from the deep dark, Jupiter can pull them away. Sometimes it swallows them. Sometimes it slings them beyond Pluto. Sometimes it throws them out of the solar system completely. Jupiter does not protect Earth because it cares. It protects Earth because it is enormous. In July 1994, we watched it happen. Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 had been captured by Jupiter, then torn apart into 21 fragments. Over 6 days, those fragments slammed into Jupiter at about 60 kilometers per second, leaving scars larger than Earth. If one major fragment had hit us, civilization could have ended in an afternoon. But it hit Jupiter, and it was not the last time. In 2009, another dark scar appeared on Jupiter. Since then, astronomers have recorded more flashes, more impacts, more proof that the giant is still absorbing cosmic violence. But Jupiter is not a perfect shield. It is also a thrower. The same gravity that protects us from deep space comets can disturb asteroids and send some inward toward us. Jupiter may have helped aim ancient impactors at Earth, possibly even rocks that changed life forever. So Jupiter is not our guardian angel. It is a force, a shield, and a weapon. And somehow, across 4.5 billion years, the balance favored us. If Jupiter were smaller, more comets might reach Earth. If it were larger, it might throw more asteroids inward. If it had migrated closer to the Sun, like many gas giants in alien systems, Earth might never have survived. We got lucky. Jupiter formed where it formed, stayed where it stayed, held its post. And because of that, life had time. Cells became fish, Fish became reptiles, reptiles became mammals, and mammals became you. Jupiter is not our friend. Jupiter is our condition. So tonight, look for the bright star that does not twinkle. That is the giant. That is the bargain. And one reason Earth is still alive. But Jupiter is not simple. It catches some bullets. It throws others. It protects us. And sometimes, it may aim danger our way. So here's the question. If Jupiter is both our shield and our weapon, would Earth be safer with it or without it? Tell me what you think.